In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a template in Adobe Sign. If you send the same types of documents for signature again and again, creating a reusable template will save you time, reduce errors, and keep everything consistent. Start by signing in to Adobe Acrobat Sign. From the home screen, look for the option to create a reusable template. This takes you into the template setup flow, where you'll choose the document and define exactly how it should behave each time you use it. Think of this as building a reliable starting point you can pull up in seconds whenever you need it. Give your template a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Use a naming convention that makes sense for your team, like including the document type and version. Next, upload your document. You can drag and drop the file directly into the window or click Add Files to browse and select it from your computer. Once it's attached, Acrobat Sign will prepare it for authoring so you can customize the fields. Before you add any fields, choose the template type that fits your use case. Reusable document saves the full document along with any fields you add. Reusable form field. Layer saves only the fields, which is perfect when you want to apply the same field layout to different versions of a document. Both saves the document and its fields together and also lets you reuse the field layer elsewhere. If you're not sure, selecting both gives you the most flexibility later. Click Preview and Add Fields to open the authoring view. You'll see a palette of form elements you can drag onto the page, such as signature, text field, date, and checkbox. Place each field where a signer needs to act. Take a moment to align fields neatly, resize them so labels are readable, and position signature boxes clearly. If your document has multiple pages, scroll through and ensure every required spot is covered. A quick zoom in can help you place fields precisely, and consistent spacing improves readability for signers. When everything looks right, click Save. Your new template is stored in the Library or Templates section on the Manage page. From now on, you can reuse it anytime you send a document for signature, eliminating repetitive setup. Just select the template during the send process, and Acrobat Sign will load the document with all your predefined fields ready to go. Pro tip before we wrap up. If you're sending a document on the fly, you can also save it as a template by checking Save as Template in the authoring window before you send the agreement.